Hello children, in today's video we are going to study chapter number 11, that is Chennai. So Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Earlier it was known as Madras. So early name of Chennai was Madras. It is one of the largest cities in India. So it is the one of the largest cities in India. It is an metropolitan city and an important port. So it is one of the metropolitan cities of India and it is the important port. Chennai can be divided into two parts. So we can see there are two ports are there. One is the old city and it is also known as Georgetown, and it is towards the west of the port, and the other port is towards the south of Georgetown. Let's see the location and climate of Chennai. So let's see the location. So Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast facing the Bay of Bengal. So this is the Bay of Bengal. So we can see this is the Coromandel coast. Okay. So early years the Portuguese traders come here in 16th century. After Portuguese, Dutch people came, and after that the British people came to Chennai. The Chennai has the big port and many big and small ships bring goods from other countries here. So large quantities of goods are also carried from our country to other countries from here only. Now let's see the climate. So the climate of Chennai is warm and very humid during summers. It receives rainfall in winter. So the climate of Chennai is hot throughout the year. So we can feel hot throughout the year. It gets more rain in winter. So in winter season, Chennai receives more rainfall. People mostly what they wear cotton cloths throughout the year because here the climate is very much hot. Next, we will see the government offices. So all the major offices of Tamil Nadu government are located in Chennai. So we all know that most of that states ministers, governors and the chief minister they stay in that capital city. The same also the Tamil Nadu government, that is the governor, the chief minister and the other ministers and the other government offices live in Chennai. Economy, utility services and transport services. Chennai is famous for its textile industry. So we can see Chennai is famous for this textile. Textile means cloth industry. Other important industries are automobile industries, software services, hardware manufacturing units and etc. So in Chennai we can see cotton and silk cloth factories are there. Motor cars, bicycles and railway coaches are also made in Chennai. Chennai is also has an oil refinery. Okay, so they also manufacture there. So they also manufacture tanks. Okay, so these are the economic condition in Chennai. Now let's see water supply. So water is provided by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. So Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply, they supply water in Chennai. The bus services are run by the government owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. So buses are run by the government owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. Vans, so which is also called as maxi cab. So vans which run like a buses. So in Chennai we can see most of the roads have covered these vans. So van only we can see in the Chennai. It runs like a buses. Okay, it is popularly known in Chennai as maxi cabs and are the popular means of transport in this city. So maxi cabs are the popular means of transport in Chennai. Next, people, culture and food. So in Chennai we can see most of Hinduism, Islam and Christianity people are there. So they are widely followed by the people living in this region. So Hinduism, Islam and Christianity, we can see most of the people they follow these religions. So the languages primarily spoken here are Tamil and English. So in Chennai we can see most of the people, they speak Tamil or English. The people of Chennai are very fond of music. So Chennai people are very fond of music and dance. So Carnatic music and Bharatnatyam are the popular in Chennai. So Carnatic music is related to music, songs and Bharatnatyam. So Bharatnatyam is a very famous dance form of Chennai. Pongal is an important harvest festival celebrated here. So this is the Pongal. It is the famous and important harvest festival in Chennai. As you all know that in Karnataka we celebrate Sankranti. On the same day in Chennai they celebrate Pongal. Diwali, Christmas and Eid are also widely celebrated. So these festival also they celebrate in Chennai. For example, Hindu people celebrate Diwali, Islam people celebrate Eid and Christian people celebrate Christmas in their own way. So people eat idli, dosa, upma, rasam, vada, etc. So these are their staple food. So rice is the main staple food of Chennai. So let's see famous buildings, places and beaches. So this is the Fort St. George is an important tourist attraction in Chennai. Kapileshwara temple, or we can also say at a Kapaleshwara temple and Parthasarathi temple, and we also see Ashtalakshmi temple. These are the Hindu temple in Chennai. So these are famous for its Gopuram. So we can see Gopuram. So these are called as Gopuram. So these temples are famous for its Gopurams. We can also see so many old churches are there in Chennai. And some of the important old churches are St. Mary's Church. The Government Museum in Chennai is one of the first museums of India. And we can also see Thousand Lights Mosque. So it is a famous mosque. It belongs to Islamic people. Other places of tourist attraction includes the National Art Gallery, Snake Park, Gandhi Mantapam and the St. Thomas Cathedral. So these are the famous tourist attraction of Chennai. The Anna Zoological Park is one of the biggest in Southeast area. So we can see there is a park. The name of that park is Anna Zoological Park. So it is the biggest, one of the biggest park in Southeast Asia. So here we can see more than 170 species of mammals. Mammals means big animals, birds and reptiles are found here. So we can see so many birds are there, reptiles and mammals we can see in this park. Beaches of Chennai are the main tourist attractions. Marina Beach is the most popular beach in that region. So this is the Marina Beach. It is famous for tourist attraction. The VGP Golden Beach is popular with children because of its rides and toy train. So in the VGP Golden Beach we can see it is an attraction for children because it had so many rides and it has toy train also. Elliot and Kewalong Beach are other famous beaches of Chennai. So Elliot and Kewalong, these beaches are the famous beaches of Chennai. Next, amusement parks, shopping malls and markets. So amusement parks comprise all the modern facilities. So we can see amusement parks has all the modern facilities available in that parks. A popular amusement park is Kishkinda. So it is the popular amusement park of Chennai. Other amusement parks in Chennai are Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. So these are the other amusement parks of Chennai. Chennai is a paradise for shoppers. So paradise means shoppers love to shop in Chennai. So it is like a paradise. There are many shopping malls in Chennai like Spencer Plaza, Gold Mall, City Center and Fountain Plaza. So these are the famous shopping malls of Chennai. The famous Mount Road has several emporiums. So emporiums means wholesale shops, we can say. Indian silk saree from Kanchipuram are available at prominent marketplaces of Mylapore and Pondi Bazaar at T Nagar. So we can see the wholesale markets also available in Chennai. So in that, Indian silk saree from Kanchipuram are available at prominent marketplace of Mylapura and Pondi Bazaar. So these are the famous street bazaar in Chennai. So this is all about Chennai. If you like my video, please like and share. Thank you.